In a world where manufacturing is pushed overseas, Impact Case and Container keeps it local. This is pride in American manufacturing. Servicing industries around the globe, such as the medical, military, aerospace, athletics, and sportsman industries for over 20 years, we pride ourselves on building products that surpass the highest standards in custom case manufacturing, from the initial design and throughout all facets of the production process. From OEM cases to national retailers and government protective solutions, we set new standards in functionality and durability. A fully custom fabricated aluminum protective case from ICC is reusable, reparable, highly specialized, and completely recyclable at the end of service, making aluminum a viable solution over plastic. So why aluminum cases? Simply put, they are lighter, stronger, and more cost-effective. Unlike other shipping container materials such as polymers and plastics, a custom aluminum design is not obligated to use a previous mold or fixture. Each design is truly unique. A fully welded aluminum case is built to perform under extreme conditions, and not just once. What more could you ask for in a reusable protective case or container solution? Located in the heart of the Idaho Panhandle, our facility features the latest advances in computer-controlled punch and form fabrication equipment. Our knowledgeable team of case designers and engineers uses innovative and reliable manufacturing methods in conjunction with superior raw materials to produce cases of true distinction. And the best part, our cases and containers are American-made every step of the way. Impact Case and Container.